Chris with ROE Dental Laboratory, and I want to talk today about a service we offer for those of you that are doing kind of in-house printing and really vertically integrating your office. This is a great service right up your alley. Now, you don't need a 3D printer, but if you're vertically integrating, it helps out. We have design services for you, but it's also a service that's going to help you increase patient acceptance. So what am I talking about here? Well, this is our cosmetic smile design service. And there's a few different steps in this process and how this works. So let's break it down. To help increase patient acceptance, we have a service and a product called a trial smile. Now, what a trial smile is it's similar to like a snap-on smile type product, but it goes over the existing dentition. You're not prepping any teeth, but this is a design where we design the trial smile. Typically it's 4, 8, or 10 teeth, of course, on the upper. We can do lower, but the upper is more impactful. But 4, 8, or 10, we'll design the trial smile, send it to you, and you can print it in office. And again, it seats right over the existing dentition and gets that patient that new smile that they could have with this service. So we have our trial smile, and then the next step in that process typically is a digital wax up, which everyone's kind of familiar with how a digital wax up works. But you send us the records, we'll do the wax up. Now next is our prep day. Now we have a service, we have between an hour and 2-hour turnaround time on designing the temps to seat over the preps on prep day. So don't worry about the design work, we'll take care of that. You worry about prepping this patient, getting us the records for the preps, uploading them through our cosmetic smile design portal, and then we will design the temps for you to print in office and have that patient send them home in a nice brand new smile on their temps. And then all of this leads to, in our cosmetic smile design portal that we have, all this leads to your final zirconia. We have a bespoke zirconia line, which everything is fully customizable, done by our hand-picked top technicians over at ROE Dental Laboratory. And this is a very intricate design and finishing process that you and the patient, if you want, will be part of this process. So just to break down this again, it's our cosmetic smile design service. It's located on our website under the design services link. And it starts off with a trial smile, digital wax up after the patient, and the patient acceptance. And then we go into prep day. We have our design services. Please make sure you schedule ahead for that. And then of course it all leads to our bespoke Zirconia or Bespoke Emax. If there's any questions, give us a shout here at ROE Dental Laboratory. We also have, to learn this process, we are working with a partner at 3D Dentists, and they have a smile design course where you can learn all this start to finish and how to present to patients as well. It's a great course, but any questions, please give us a call here. Looking forward to working on your next design.